China's love affair with pork is no secret. For centuries, pork has been a cornerstone of the Chinese diet, deeply embedded in its culinary traditions and cultural identity. Today, China consumes more pork than any other country on Earth, accounting for roughly half of the world's total consumption. This insatiable demand for pork has had a profound impact on the global pork industry, with China's consumption habits influencing markets and production practices worldwide. The sheer scale of China's pork consumption is staggering. With a population exceeding 1.4 billion people, even a slight increase in per capita consumption translates into massive demand swings. In recent years, as China's economy has grown, so too has its middle class and their appetite for pork. This surge in demand has put immense pressure on domestic pork production, forcing China to seek innovative solutions to meet its ever-growing need for this staple food. To meet its insatiable appetite for pork, China has embarked on an ambitious agricultural endeavor, the construction of mega-pig farms. These massive facilities, some housing tens of thousands of pigs at a time, represent a radical departure from traditional pig farming. Imagine a 26-story building, towering over the landscape, dedicated entirely to raising pigs. This is the reality in Ezhou, a city in central China, where one of the world's largest pig farms is located. This colossal facility, a testament to China's determination to achieve self-sufficiency in pork production, is a prime example of the country's commitment to mega-farming. These mega-farms are not just about size, they are also marvels of modern technology. Many are equipped with sophisticated climate control systems, automated feeding and waste disposal mechanisms, and advanced biosecurity measures to prevent disease outbreaks. These high-tech features are designed to optimize pig growth, reduce labor costs, and minimize the environmental impact of large-scale pork production. The sheer scale and efficiency of these mega-farms are astonishing. However, their emergence has also ignited a heated debate about the future of agriculture. Proponents argue that these farms are essential for feeding China's growing population and meeting the rising demand for pork. Critics, however, raise concerns about the potential risks associated with concentrating so many animals in one place, including disease outbreaks, environmental pollution, and animal welfare issues. Mega-pig farms in China are at the forefront of agricultural innovation, employing cutting-edge technology and automation to maximize efficiency and output. These facilities are designed to optimize every stage of the pig rearing process, from breeding to slaughter. Automated feeding systems ensure that each pig receives the precise nutritional intake required for optimal growth, while climate-controlled barns maintain ideal temperature and humidity levels, regardless of external weather conditions. The use of technology extends beyond basic husbandry. Many mega-farms employ sophisticated data analytics to monitor pig health, track growth rates, and identify potential problems before they escalate. This data-driven approach allows farm managers to make informed decisions about feed formulations, disease prevention, and overall farm management, further enhancing efficiency and productivity. By embracing automation and technology, these mega-farms aim to revolutionize pork production, making it more efficient, sustainable, and ultimately, more profitable. While the efficiency and scale of China's mega-pig farms are undeniably impressive, their rapid proliferation has also raised concerns about the potential negative consequences of such intensive farming practices. Critics argue that concentrating thousands of animals in a confined space increases the risk of disease outbreaks, which can spread rapidly and have devastating economic and public health implications. The 2018 outbreak of African swine fever, which decimated China's pig population, serves as a stark reminder of the vulnerability of large, densely populated farms to infectious diseases. Moreover, the immense amount of waste generated by these mega-farms poses significant environmental challenges. Without proper management, pig manure can contaminate water sources, release harmful greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, and contribute to soil degradation. Balancing the need for increased pork production with the imperative to protect public health and the environment is a complex challenge that China must address as it continues to develop its mega-farm industry. One of the most pressing concerns surrounding China's mega-pig farms is the heightened risk of disease outbreaks. Packing thousands of pigs into a confined space creates ideal conditions for the rapid spread of infectious diseases. These diseases can be devastating, not only for the pigs themselves but also for the pork industry and even public health. The 2018 outbreak of African swine fever in China is a stark reminder of the vulnerability of megafarms to disease. African swine fever is a highly contagious and deadly viral disease that affects pigs. The virus spread rapidly through China's pig population, leading to the death of millions of pigs and causing significant economic losses. The outbreak exposed the weaknesses in biosecurity measures on many farms, particularly those with large numbers of animals. The African swine fever crisis highlighted the need for improved biosecurity on mega pig farms. This includes strict hygiene protocols, quarantine procedures for new animals, and limited contact between different groups of pigs. Implementing and enforcing these measures is crucial for preventing future disease outbreaks and protecting the health of both animals and humans. The environmental impact of China's mega pig farms is another major concern. These facilities generate enormous amounts of waste, including manure, urine, and wastewater. If not properly managed, this waste can pollute water sources, release harmful greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, and contribute to soil degradation. Pig manure is rich in nitrogen and phosphorus, which are essential nutrients for plant growth. However, in excessive amounts, these nutrients can leach into waterways, leading to eutrophication. This process depletes oxygen in the water, harming fish and other aquatic life. Furthermore, pig manure releases methane, a potent greenhouse gas, contributing to climate change. Addressing the environmental footprint of mega pig farms requires innovative solutions. Some farms are exploring anaerobic digestion, a process that breaks down manure to produce biogas, which can be used as a renewable energy source. Others are investing in wastewater treatment systems to reduce nutrient pollution. Finding sustainable ways to manage waste is crucial for minimizing the environmental impact of mega pig farms. As mega pig farms prioritize efficiency and output, concerns about animal welfare have come to the forefront. Critics argue that the confined and crowded conditions on these farms can lead to stress, aggression, and disease among the animals. The lack of natural light, fresh air, and opportunities for exercise can also negatively impact pig well-being. In traditional farming systems, pigs have more space to roam, interact with each other, and engage in natural behaviors such as rooting and foraging. In contrast, pigs on mega farms are often confined to small pens or crates, limiting their movement and social interactions. This can lead to frustration and stress, which can manifest in aggressive behaviors such as tail biting. Addressing animal welfare concerns on mega pig farms requires a multifaceted approach. Providing pigs with more space, enriching their environment with objects to interact with, and implementing group housing systems can all contribute to improved animal well-being. Furthermore, adopting humane handling practices and minimizing stress during transportation and slaughter are essential for ensuring ethical treatment throughout the pigs' lives. China's pursuit of mega pig farming is deeply intertwined with its broader goals of achieving self-sufficiency in pork production and ensuring food security for its vast population. With a growing middle class and increasing demand for pork, China faces the challenge of securing a stable and affordable supply of this dietary staple. The country's experience with the 2018 African swine fever outbreak, which decimated its pig population and sent pork prices soaring, served as a wake-up call. The crisis exposed the vulnerabilities of relying heavily on traditional, smaller-scale pig farming methods. In response, China has doubled down on its commitment to mega farms, viewing them as a way to boost domestic pork production, stabilize prices, and reduce reliance on imports. Beyond economic considerations, food security carries significant political and social weight in China. The government views the ability to feed its population as a matter of national security and social stability. By striving for self-sufficiency in pork production, China aims to ensure that its people have access to this essential food source, regardless of external factors such as global market fluctuations or disease outbreaks. While the path to achieving these goals is fraught with challenges, China's determination to modernize its pork industry and secure its food future remains unwavering.